Ever found yourself swimming in the sea of crypto, wanting to explore a new, privacy-focused blockchain, but then you hit that wall? Does my wallet even support this? Today, we're diving into that exact question, specifically whether MetaMask, the trusty browser extension many of us rely on, plays nice with Beam. Let's be real, navigating the crypto space can feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphs. You've got your Ethereums, your Bitcoins, and then you stumble upon projects like Beam, touting enhanced privacy and confidential transactions. Naturally, your first thought is, how do I interact with this? And if you're like most, MetaMask is your go-to gateway. So, here's the burning question. Can you just plug in Beam to MetaMask and start transacting? The short answer, unfortunately, is no. MetaMask, at its core, is designed for Ethereum and Ethereum-compatible blockchains. It's built on the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. This means it understands and processes transactions that follow the rules and standards of the Ethereum network. Beam, on the other hand, is not an EVM-compatible blockchain. It uses a different cryptographic protocol, Mimblewimble, which focuses heavily on privacy. This difference in architecture is the key reason why MetaMask can't directly support Beam. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. They just don't fit. Now, this doesn't mean you're completely out of luck if you want to interact with Beam. Beam has its own dedicated wallets, designed specifically for its network. These wallets are tailored to handle the unique features of Beam, like confidential transactions and asset issuance. You'll need to download and set up a Beam wallet to participate in the Beam ecosystem. Think of it this way, MetaMask is a specialist tool for a specific job, handling Ethereum and its related chains. Beam requires its own specialized tools because it operates on a fundamentally different foundation. It's important to understand these distinctions in the crypto world. Interoperability is a hot topic, and while bridges and cross-chain solutions are emerging, they often come with their own complexities and potential risks. For now, if you want to explore Beam, you'll need to step outside the familiar territory of MetaMask and embrace the tools built for the Beam network. This isn't a limitation, but rather a reflection of the diverse and evolving landscape of blockchain technology. Each blockchain has its own strengths and focuses, and that often necessitates unique tools and wallets. Understanding these differences is crucial for any crypto enthusiast looking to explore beyond the mainstream. So, while MetaMask won't be your gateway to Beam, don't let that discourage you. Explore the Beam ecosystem with its dedicated wallets and discover the world of privacy-focused transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.